everyone, I'm back with exercise 6.4. Now let us solve some of the questions of exercise 6.4. The first question is, let triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar and their areas be respectively 64 cm square and 121 cm square. If the measurement of EF is 15.4 cm, find BC. That is, we have triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar. आगे के थ्योरम से हमें पता है कि if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas will be equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. मतलब हम लिख सकते हैं area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to AB by DE whole square equal to BC by EF whole square equal to AC by DF whole square. इसे हमने इक्वेशन 1 कंसीडर किया है. हमारे पास गिवन है EF इक्वल टू 15.4 सेंटीमीटर, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC इक्वल टू 64 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल DEF इक्वल टू 121 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सिंस हमें यहाँ पे EF दिया गया है एंड फाइंड करना है BC, देन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 हम इन दोनों को यूज नहीं करके सिर्फ BC by EF होल स्क्वायर को यूज करेंगे. That is, we have area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF equal to BC by EF whole square. Now, by substituting the value of EF, area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DEF, we have 64 by 121 equal to BC square by 15.4 whole square. To solve this, we take square root on both sides. Square root of 64 is 8 and 121 is 11. Similarly, square root of BC square becomes BC and 15.4 whole square becomes 15.4. Now, by cross multiplying, we have BC equal to 8 into 15.4 by 11. इसे सॉल्व करके हमारे पास BC का फाइनल वैल्यू होता है 11.2 सेंटीमीटर, which is our required answer. The next question is, diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at point O. If AB equal to 2CD, find the ratio of the areas of triangle AOB and triangle COD. Question से हमारे पास है ABCD एक trapezium and AB is parallel to DC. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. We have to find the ratio of area of triangle AOB and area of triangle COD. Now, since AB is parallel to DC, हमें पता है if a transversal cuts two parallel lines, then their alternate interior angles are equal. That is, angle OAB will be equal to angle OCD. That is, this equal to this. And angle OBA will be equal to angle ODC. Now, since we have to find the ratio of the area of triangle AOB and COD, so let us start by taking these two triangles. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, AOB and COD, we have angle AOB, that is this angle, is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angle. Thus, we have angle AOB equal to angle COD. Also, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD and angle OBA equal to angle ODC. These two angles are equal by alternate interior angle property. Therefore, we have triangle AOB and triangle COD are similar by AAA similarity. Since the three angles, corresponding angles of two triangles are equal, so they are similar. As we know that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of the area of those two similar triangles will be equal to their square of the corresponding sides. That is, area of triangle AOB by area of triangle COD will be equal to AB by CD whole square. Now since we have given in the question that AB is equal to 2CD, so we can write AB equal to 2CD. Now replacing AB by 2CD we have CD cancelled out, 2 square remains 4 and 1 square remains 1. That is, we have the ratio of area of triangle AOB and area of triangle COD equal to 4:1, which was to be found. The next question is, in the following figure, ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base BC. If AD intersect BC at O, we have to show that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC is equal to AO by DO. मतलब क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कि ABC और DBC दो ट्राइंगल है ऑन द सेम बेस BC. ऑल्सो AD एक लाइन है जो कि इंटरसेक्ट करता है BC एट O. हमें शो करना है एरिया ऑफ ABC बाय एरिया ऑफ DBC इज इक्वल टू AO by DO. We have constructed AP perpendicular on BC and DM perpendicular on BC. Now we know the area of triangle to be half into base into height. Therefore, area of triangle ABC will be half into base BC into height AP. That is half into BC into AP. Similarly, area of triangle DBC will be half into BC into DM. Now taking the ratio, we have area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC. By cancelling out, we are remaining with AP by DM. Now in triangle APO and triangle DMO, considering these two triangles APO and DMO, angle APO is equal to angle DMO since each is 90 degree. Also, angle AOP is equal to angle DOM, vertically opposite angle. Therefore, we can say that triangle APO is similar to triangle DMO by AA similarity. Since two set of corresponding angles are equal, so the two triangles are similar. We know that if two triangles are similar, then the proportion of their corresponding sides are also equal. That is, we have AP by DM is equal to AO by DO. Therefore, we can say that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DBC equal to AO by DO. We have replaced AP by DM by AO by DO since both are equal, which is our required answer. In the next question, हमारे पास दिया गया है, if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, prove that they are congruent. मतलब क्वेश्चन में बोला गया है दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है, मतलब एरिया ऑफ टू सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स, मतलब दो ट्राइंगल सिमिलर है और उन दोनों का एरिया इक्वल है. हमें प्रूफ करना है कि वही दो ट्राइंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट भी होते हैं. हमें पता है कि इफ टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर, देन द रेशियो ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ दोज टू ट्राइंगल विल बी इक्वल टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ द रेशियो ऑफ the corresponding sides. मतलब we have area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR equal to AB by PQ whole square equal to BC by QR whole square equal to AC by PR whole square. इसे हमने इक्वेशन 1 कंसीडर किया है. अब क्वेश्चन में दिया गया है कि एरिया ऑफ दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर इक्वल, मतलब एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR. तो वी हैव एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC बाई एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR इक्वल टू 1. अगर हम इस वैल्यू को इक्वेशन 1 में सब्सटीट्यूट करें तो वी हैव 1 इक्वल टू AB बाई PQ होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू BC बाई QR होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AC बाई PR होल स्क्वायर. अब इफ वी कंसिडर दीज टू, देन वी हैव AB बाई PQ होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. 1 को हम 1 स्क्वायर भी लिख सकते हैं. By taking square root on both sides, हमारे पास बाकी रहता है AB by PQ equal to 1. By cross multiplying AB equal to PQ. Similarly, हम बोल सकते हैं BC equal to QR and AC equal to PR. अब in triangle ABC and PQR, 3 pairs of corresponding sides are equal. तो फिर ट्रायंगल ABC will be congruent to triangle PQR by SSS congruency, hence proved. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में हमारे पास है sides of two similar triangles are in ratio 4:9. Find the ratio of area of this triangle. हमें पता है कि अगर दो ट्रायंगल सिमिलर है एक दूसरे के, then the ratio of area of this triangle will be equal to the square of the ratio of corresponding sides of this triangle. तो हम लोग दो ट्रायंगल्स का एरिया का रेशियो कंसीडर करते हैं, दैट इज रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल इक्वल टू रेशियो ऑफ साइड्स दिया हुआ है 4:9, दैट इज इक्वल टू 4/9 स्क्वायर. तो 4 square becomes 16 and 9 square becomes 81. Therefore, ratio of area of this triangle will be 16/81, which is the required answer. With this, exercise 6.4 is also over. Thank you.